In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Mexc Global. This process is straightforward once you understand the steps, and I'll guide you through it with ease, ensuring you're confident every step of the way. First, let's start on Binance. You'll want to ensure you have USDT available in your account. If you need to purchase some, you can do so through the fiat and spot section. Once you're sure you have USDT, go to your wallet by clicking on the wallet icon, typically found in the top right corner of the Binance dashboard. From here, select Fiat and Spot to see an overview of your assets. Now, locate USDT in your list of cryptocurrencies. You will find a Withdraw button next to it. Click on that. On the Withdrawal page, pause for a moment to pay close attention here. You'll need the correct network and address to ensure your transfer goes smoothly without any hiccups. Next, it's time to head over to Mexc Global. Log into your Mexc account and navigate to the Assets section. This will bring up a menu where you need to select Deposit. You'll be depositing USDT, so choose USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Here's where you'll find an important piece of information, your deposit address. You will see both an address and a QR code, which is used to receive USDT on Mexc Global. Make sure you select the correct network that matches the one you will choose on Binance to avoid any transfer issues. Now, it's time to return to Binance. In the Withdrawal page on Binance, paste the deposit address you just copied from Mexc into the address field. Double-check this address because even a single wrong character can cause issues with the transfer. Also, ensure that you select the same network option. This is crucial. Binance provides multiple network options like BP2, BP20, ERC20, and others. Choose the network that matches the one on Mexc. After confirming the address and network, decide on the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Binance will show you the estimated fees and the final amount that you will receive on Mexc. Take a moment to review all these details thoroughly. When everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. Binance might require you to verify this transaction through an authentication method like an email or SMS code, so keep an eye on those input fields. Enter the required verification codes promptly to allow the transfer to proceed. The transfer might take a few minutes to show up in your Mexc Global wallet. You'll receive a notification once it arrives. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your USDT from Binance to Mexc Global. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.